So, my dear friends, good day from Electric Uncle Hetwale. And today I am bring you the technical electromechanical work as how to make cooling heating system in the swimming pools with solar based cooling heating system, right? So first I will take you to the board. As in school we used to teach, we learn. So and that is what is my experience of whole life, 50 years. So whatever come in my mind, I used to bring the video for that. So I did it in Dubai a lot, the small swimming pools in villas with this cooling heating system, but there was no solar. We used to provide heaters as a heat exchanger for those swimming pools. But as I am working for last 10 years now in India for this solar system, just 1 year before I left working everything and just launched this my free education platform 2-3 months before, and I want to promote it, and your subscribing it and sharing it will help the needy students, and preferably the students below poverty line. I want to get it reached there. It is a totally free education platform for all. And the students below poverty line, I want to help them also with some material to learn and to go ahead, make their future bright with these small things. So, let us proceed. So, my dear friends, Electric Uncle wishes you a good day. Electric Uncle Headwale ki taraf se, good day. Now today, actually I have brought now this concept, cooling and heating of the swimming pool water, automatic, okay, and with the solar system. You can do it so, you can do it with these direct online heaters, so that I will explain you today, and hope you will gain and you will follow it, and whoever wants to install or make a swimming pool in his villa, 400 to 500 square yard, 300 square yard villas, they do have these small swimming pools. Good for health, with jacuzzi, so that's pressurized water, it will give comfort and muscular relief to your body. So let us start. First I will go to this board, I made something, and then I will move to the PPT. From there I will explain the things. I have different collections with me, I will show you that. Different type of systems for cooling heating of the swimming pool, of your home, of your farmhouse. You can make it in the agricultural land, just 15 feet by 30 feet is enough, or 20 feet by 40 feet. It's okay. Very small, beautiful swimming pool to enjoy it. I just published one video a few days, 2 days before, for the designs of the swimming pools. Today I will tell you the electromechanical work, how to get it done for the cooling system and the heating system of the swimming pools with the help of solar, so that no energy, no electricity energy is required. And you can enjoy the swimming in winter as well as in summer also. So let us move. So before I made this, because I just make this video in Hindi also, so in that I use this board. Now I will tell you on it itself. Now you see, this is the swimming pool I made. I used to make like this before, and the shape on the top it can be different, oval shape, rectangular shape, whatever you want. And here I put one, you can say, partition for the jacuzzi. This you can fix it here also, where, anywhere. In this jacuzzi there is a sitting arrangement. One can sit, and there are jet of water which go to your body, strike the body and give the muscular relief. So from the health point of view, it is nice. So this is a swimming pool. I take it 30 feet, 15 feet. 3 feet from here and up to here, take it 4 feet, 3 feet, whatever you want. So that the children, they can swim in this part. And here I kept it 10 feet depth, so that if you want to jump from the top, you can. And here is the slope. So keep it 4 feet like that. And this is the RCC work is being done for the slab. And this used to remain for 1 foot thick, this RCC. 1 foot thick. And better to give it one insulation at the bottom on the soil, and after concreting this part, one insulation at the top. Then the tile work. The beautiful tiles they come for the swimming pool. So small tiles, these are called swimming pool tiles. And self-designed. As per they say, you just fix the tiles, the design will be there. Like fish you can show below. Like anything you can show there. So this is the swimming pool. This is the water. Right? This is the drain out. This is the inlet going. Now this is from the drain, it is going to this pump. And this pump is going giving water to this filter. Right? From filter to heat exchanger. This is the main part, heat exchanger, filled with water from outside coming, and this pipe is going through this heat exchanger to the swimming pool. This is the chlorination, if you want to put a device for the chlorination of the swimming pool water. So, and this is the drain out. When you want to wash out all the swimming pool, you can do it. And here also you can provide one washout to drain out the water, right? So this is the plumbing part. Any plumbing sanitary consultant, similar like Khosla Associates, they are the good one. So I will not, I'm not, marketing for him. You can get it done from anyone. But as I used to do it from them, the good work. So from here, pump, filter, heat exchanger. This is the part with the help of this heat exchanger. What is heat exchanger? Hot water or chilled water circulate, filled with it from this side, and this pipe is going from this. So no mixing of both the waters. Swimming pool water remain as it is. Indirectly it will be heated up or the cooled down, chilled. So this heat exchanger is called due to that reason. It exchanges heat to the swimming pool water pipe. Now, about this heat exchanger, we will come now. This part. Suppose we want to run it from the solar. Okay. Here is the solar water heater collectors. So normally one collector is of 100 liter. You can put 3, 4, 5 collectors. It will heat up the water in daytime. And whatever is the use, what will happen? This water will go from here to this box, heat exchanger, and come back from here again. So this is the circulation of the water from the solar. In between, in parallel, you can provide one optional electricity water heater in case there is no solar. Automatically it will shift to this heater, and the solenoid valve will close here. It will start from here, circulating the water. So these arrangements can be made. In case solar failure, this water heater will work. And the same process, it will go to the exchanger, then again come back. Right? So this piping, designing, I will show you in PPT also. And it can be done from any consultant. Right? This is the solar part for heating. Now, suppose this thermostat in winter, water is 20 degree. Normally we used to keep water at 25 degree of the swimming pools. So now 5 degree up we have to make the temperature. When it is 20 degree, this solar system, there is solenoid and there is a pump, right? It will start working. It will start circulating hot water. Correct? And the same pump can be used for the chiller. Here, common, we can put it here, right? So, now, this is for summer. This thermostatic control, thermistor, thermostat and temperature controller are also coming for the swimming pools nowadays. Hunter is the good company, they also used to provide, I think so. So, now, in summer, this is for winter. If the water temperature goes down, this heater, solar, it will start circulating water and the hot water will go to the swimming pool. And when it comes to 25 degree, it will cut off this pump, close this solenoid valve. Now, in summer, the temperature goes to 40 degree and we want 25 degree. So for that, here we put a chiller. The chilled water will flow from here. Same like air conditioners. Our fridge, in your air conditioner there is thermostat, you want 20 degree, you will get the air at 20 degree. So this water circulate through this chiller, got chilled, and this thermostat, put another thermostat also for this chiller. It will start this chiller automatic and this chiller will start feeding water. When the water comes to 25 degree, this thermostat, another one, it will cut off the chiller. Same like your AC. When you put this temperature control, 20 degree, there is a thermostat which cut off it. Same system to be used here for this chiller. Now, this chiller will consume the electricity. Correct? As our ACs, they consume too much electricity. So what you can do? You can make a solar panel system for this chiller here. These are the solars. Say it is of 5 kilowatt. You put a system of 5 kilowatt. If it is 2 kilowatt, you can put a system of 2 kilowatt. And the pumps designing, pipe designing, 2 inch, 4 inch, it depends on your pump as per the capacity of your pool and the flow of water, circulation of water, how fast it is needed. So, that can be decided. That is not a big question. 2 inch pipe, 4 inch pipe plumbing. Sometimes it is a very big swimming pool, 6 inch you need. Pump also accordingly you need. And chiller also accordingly you need. So for it, I think 2 kilowatt chiller is enough. Put a solar system of 2 kilowatt. Put an inverter, right? Grid connected. Okay? And it will start the chiller. As simple as it is. When there is no solar, the supply will be from the grid. Same this net metering system of the solar. So you can do it accordingly. So gentlemen, and there is the chlorination. If you want to put a device in between, you can put it here. Water will go from here, and these fancy lights you can put all around the swimming pool. These are the waterproof lights. And this thermostat or thermistor, they are also waterproof to control this pump for the solar, control the pump for this. Yeah. And one pump commonly it can work for both. It can thermostat and some controller, it will shift automatically to chiller. It starts circulating, that's what. And there are so many valve systems. I will show you in the PPT also to provide the valves and to how to drain out. This is the filter. Okay, you can say it's sand filter, you can also put. There is a pipe below, you can drain out the water. Want to clean the swimming pool. Here also you can put a drain line outside. So you can use your brain what you want. And nowadays on the swimming pool, one screen is coming. At the sides, they fix. When you don't use the swimming pool, push the button, this screen will go up to the end, it will cover up the swimming pool. Otherwise, where there are trees, plants, so the leaves, it used to come on in the swimming pool, and you need to clean it with hand cleaning with the nets. Like that, there are some nets which you clean from that, the top layer of the swimming pool. Or otherwise, you can use that automatic system also. One net type is there, at the side sliding, just press the remote, it will cover all the swimming pool. No dust, no leaves, no nothing will go to swimming pool. And just push it back and clean it and again use it. So it is like that. So this is the concept of the swimming pool on the board. Now I will move to the PPT, right? On the PPT, in few minutes I will tell you so many collections I have there, so many types. So just go through that also one by one. And I start making your swimming pools or get it made accordingly. Here when you make the concrete work in the swimming pool, practically what I feel when we used to work, the leakage of this water has to be minimized, finished. So give double insulation. One before RCC on the soil, give an insulation. Then after pouring this RCC, give one another insulation inside. Then start with the tile work. This is a very, very important point to avoid the seepage or leakage to the soil, to the earth or water, because afterwards it is very difficult. As well as in this plumbing joints, bends, you have to be very careful. You just put the glue in half, not put in the half, fix the pipe. It is very difficult because these things go underground. Afterwards, very difficult to trace it if there is any leakage in the pipeline. So piping work has to be very fine, perfectly done. So there should be no leakage at least. And somewhere pipes will go inside the concrete. Here at the drain, inside the concrete, what you will do? You will break the concrete? No. Jacuzzi, it will go from here, the jets. So plumbing work has to be done very carefully. Okay, gentlemen, let us switch to the PPT now. So, my dear friends, this is in the PPT format, the cooling heating system, and I will provide this link in the description of my video. So you can make printout from this PPT format and can follow some of the concepts. And nothing to say. You see, this is the swimming pool, the cooling heating system, piping. Same, the sketches, drawings, diagrams. This is my collection, you can say. So I collected it so that if you will study it, it will make the concept more clear to you. So let us come to the slideshow, little bit big from the beginning, right? This is the thumbnail, small drawings. So let us proceed to the next slide. This one you see, this is a home. At the top there are solar panels, solar collectors, water heaters. From the lower end, water goes inside, and from the upper end it comes out. And there is a conventional water heater also in case there is cloudy or foggy and solar collectors are not giving proper heat. So this conventional pool heater can be used for that. Here there is no heat exchanger, direct hot water is going to swimming pool, right? And here is the outlet from the swimming pool, the water of swimming pool goes to the strainer, pump, filter, then goes to the solar, and from here, after heating up, goes to here. And to mix up the water, this sensor controls. Suppose there is a thermostat or thermistor inside the water, the temperature controller you can say. That sensor will sense the heat of the water, and then accordingly it will mix the fresh water with this hot water to maintain the temperature of this swimming pool, right? So these are the same near about all the drawings. Here solar panels from the bottom is going up, because the hot water it remains at the upper portion of this solar thermal panels, collectors, you can say solar water heater. It is normal, you can see in the houses it is being installed, so we have to use the collector only. So with this collector the hot water will go there to the swimming pool direct, and there are booster pump valves. This is the solar controller to control the temperature, raise the sensor at this pipe, and the return at what temperature it is coming. If it is low, then booster pump will start working and it will go through solar. And this is the filtration system. Going to swimming pool, hot water coming from the top. So how much to be mixed with this cold water? This solar controller, it decides. Through the sensor, it controls the solar water heater to flow. And it is also same with the solar panels, you see. If you will just watch these drawings now and study it, concept will be very clear in your mind. So you can provide like this. It saves energy. Same is this. Solar water heater collectors. There is sensor. One sensor here, one sensor at this pipeline, at the inlet. So the difference of the temperature, accordingly, this hot water will be mixed up, and this is the backup heater in case this solar fails. So we can give this water through this heater, hot water, to the pool. And the same, this is a filter, pump, one check valve, chlorine, chlorination you can also do in that. So these drawings, drawing is the language of engineers. If drawing is in front of you, you can do anything, right? This is also same. This is swimming pool, right? This is makeup water. This is normal circulation water. This is the exchanger. So inside this exchanger, you can give water from the heater, from the solar panel, solar water solar heaters. So it goes in and come out. So inside the water remain hot, and this water will flow through the pipe and goes to the swimming pool after getting heated up. So simple. This is the room where you used to provide instruments, filters, pumps, like that, so many things. And here is the heat pump. The water is going inside, coming out, and this heat pump can be heated up by anything. And this, you can put one chiller also here to make it cold water. Understand? So combination of both you can put here. The hot water can be brought from the solar panels, and this chiller can be run through the normal solar panels, not water heaters, the normal panels, and they will supply this chiller, and the electricity will be received from these solar panels for this chiller. So like that, the combination you can make it so. So gentlemen, just watch these slides. So, my dear friends, hope you like this video and it is maybe of your use, or maybe in future you can use it. So if you have understand these things, it will create some sort of a confidence inside you. With challenge, you can accept these type of works, plumbing, sanitary, and the consultancy if you want. I'm not a perfect consultant. The basic rough ideas I can give you. So you can hire a consultant. Like there is one consultant, Khosla Associates, the very good consultants related to plumbing, sanitation, design works. So you can contact them also, and it is not compulsion that you are going to contact. There are so many consultants, you can contact them also. So it depends on your like and dislike. But I used to get the work done from them, therefore I am just suggesting. I am telling my experience. They are good, okay? So from the solar, how it was being done, you might have looked it so. So it saved the energy. This is the new concept you can propose for the swimming pools, the already existing swimming pools. You can install these systems, solar based cooling, heating of water of the swimming pool. So, gentlemen, I always make a request for the subscription and sharing so that it should reach to the needy students, needy engineers, the fresh engineers, young engineers. So they can proceed with the different field of electromechanical works and plumbing. So, and subscribing means you will get my notification of the next coming video also. And there are so many subjects in my Multitech education, free education platform. In the description you can find the link of my playlist. Whatever playlist is of your interest, you can proceed with that. It is in Hindi also, it is in English also. So you can select in English, right? So, do so, subscribe, share, and I will meet in the next video. We will bring some another topic also. So, see you. Bye.